Library Explorers! My name is Hillary, and this is Dewey. We're your local library explorers, discovering and exploring the world around us through books. If this is your first time exploring with us, welcome. We're so happy to have you. And if you're a returning library explorer, welcome back. Now, before we get started on today's adventure, I wanted to make sure that our new library explorers were ready. So without further ado, raise your right hand and repeat after me. I promise to keep an open mind, open ears, open eyes, and an open heart as I explore, discover, and learn about the world around me. There you go. You are officially a library explorer. Now, let's get going to today's adventure. See you soon. Hello, library explorers. Dewey and I are in the multi-purpose room today because we were craving a sweet treat called Hillary and Dewey, better known in English as maple toffee. And we wanted to share the recipe with you so you could enjoy a sweet treat too. So follow along with us as we teach you the recipe. Let's discover together. All right, library explorers, we're going to need a few things before we get started. Number one is our instructions, which I'll put right here. Next, you're going to need to grab an adult. And the reason for that is because we're using a stovetop. So if you don't have your adult already, go and grab them. I'll wait. Have your adult ready? All right. The next thing you're going to need is some maple syrup and a measuring cup. We're going to measure out about 1 cup. After that, a popsicle stick, which is what we're going to wrap our tire d'érable around. And of course, the last thing we're going to need is a container to put our fresh snow in. No yellow snow, library explorers, fresh white snow. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! All right, library explorers, get your parents to help you to turn your stove onto medium heat. And we're just going to let our stove warm up in our saucepan. Make sure you let your parent do that. Once it's heated, grab your maple syrup and your measuring cup, and we're going to measure 1 cup. Always make sure when you're measuring, library explorers, to put it on a flat surface. Oh, that maple syrup looks so yummy. All right. So, ask a parent to carefully help you pour the maple syrup into the saucepan. And if you have some that is left over and you can't get it, use a spatula. We want to get all that maple syrup in there. It smells yummy already. Now, I don't want you guys waiting too long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed up the process. So this video is about to get really quick. See you in a second. This looks like it's almost ready. To find out if your maple syrup is actually ready for your snow, take a little bit and pour some into a glass of cold water. If it forms a ball, it's ready. So I have my cup. Make sure to ask a parent to do this next step. You're going to pour some of your maple syrup. Also a little bit, still want some for yourself, into your glass. Not quite ready yet, I think. Nope, still not ready. Back on the stove it goes. So it looks like our maple syrup is ready to go. So make sure you get an adult to do this. We're gonna pour our maple syrup into our container. Do a little bit more. There we go. And now we're gonna pour it slowly over our snow. There we go. Just a little bit. There we go. And then we're gonna wait a few minutes for it to harden. I think they're ready to eat. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your popsicle stick. You're going to, oh, if I can do it. Oh. You're gonna wrap it around your stick, like so. It should harden just around it. There you go. And there you have it, Library Explorers. Tire d'érable. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.